Hello, over the next several weeks you are going to start seeing a new assignment type, and it's called Cami. And what Cami will allow you to do is actually take PDF versions of assignments that your teacher adds to Canvas, and you will be able to write on those PDFs and then directly submit. So what this will actually do is keep you from having to take photos, as well as keeps your teacher from having to retype things into different documents. So I just wanted to show you quickly how Cami works. So when you go into your assignments, I'm in Ms. Seitzma's class right now. She has an assignment coming up this week called Building Vocabulary Chapter 6 that 8th graders you will be working on Wednesday. When I go ahead and click Building Vocabulary Chapter 6, you're going to notice, you can just click no thanks here, but you're going to notice that right here it says Cami. This is what alerts you to the fact that it is a different document. Now, the first time you open this may ask you to authorize, as you will need to give access to your Google Drive, so please make sure that you do this. But now what this allows you as the student to do is to actually type right on this document. So this assignment specifically is more of a fill in the blank. And so right here where it says inventor, this is where I'm going to want to type the correct vocabulary word. So I'm going to click on text box. You'll notice I can pick font size. You can even select a different color if you choose. And then you're going to click where you would like to begin typing. So when I click right there, it creates a text box, and then you can type in the correct word. Now, I don't know what the actual word is or what should go here. I'm just going to demonstrate for you how you are able to type right in this space. All right, and then when you're ready for the next one, you will do the same thing. Again, text box, click where you want to type and begin typing. Now, when you are done with the assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to come right over here to where it says submit. It's like the save and submit. So you click on that, and then you will see here again it says submit, and you need to make sure that you hit both buttons, and then it will say that it is saving. And once you are done with that, you are done and the assignment is submitted. It's going to be just as easy as that. You are going to be able to do the same thing with your math. For example, you could use the drawing tool. So let me unsubmit this a moment. You can use the drawing tool and you can write on it 2 + 3, though this does not look very nice, but if you're using a tablet, you could do it that way. Also, it does provide these symbols that you could use as well, so you could actually type your information. Hopefully this will help you as you submit assignments over the next several weeks.